Oriri thirikari ihaririirie kwambiriria guthima Kenya rucio gicigo kia Rongai guku Nairobi irita njira imwe ya kuhukia murimu wa homa ya COVID-19. Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe ni aniriire mitaratara makiria ya gutigirira homa ino ndina therema.
The number of infected persons increases dramatically in the second week following confirmation of first case. Consequently, the next 2 weeks are extremely critical for this country as we seek to contain the outbreak.
Week 2 is the most critical week because it takes about 3 to 7 days for you to become symptomatic on average. And it is during that time that you have maximal viral shedding and therefore increased risk of transmission.
It is very important not to panic, but also it is very crucial that we become now more vigilant.
Andu ana ni mathimetwo murimu wa COVID-19 kuma muthenya wa kana kiumia giki kuria mundu umwe onekanite ndari na murimu ucio na angi atatu kuma guku Nairobi riu metereire riboti cia ithimi ciao. Andu aria mugwanja marwarite murimu ucio no marathie na mbere kurigitwo.
Following successful contact tracing, we are now monitoring an additional 7 people. We have released a total of 44 contacts following expiry of the 14-day period that they are supposed to be isolated. 4 more suspected cases have been admitted at Bagathi Isolation Unit since the last update.
Hari mitaratara iria gathikitwo gutigirira murimu uyu ni wahitanwo naguo. Ngari cia ukui wa muingi cia andu 18 ni ciiritwo riu ciambiririe gukua andu 8, nacio ngari cia andu 25 riu cirikuaga andu 15, nacio cia andu 30 ciathitwo gukua andu 18. Oriri thirikari itangathite ni kwambiriria gutheria thoko,
so that instead of a complete and total closure, in which case you get nothing, you at least are attaining some 50%. And if you can continue moving on long, then you can at least get something. It's a mitigating effort.
Cleanliness is a major factor in avoiding every disease that is there. And we have already started cleaning the Nairobi metropolitan, and we are going to continue.
The issue of disinfecting markets, I would like all counties to take this matter very seriously. At the entrance there should be hand washing and sanitizing.
Kuma jumatatu ya kiumia yukite ahuri biashara airafu na kuria andu mathiaga ikenero marihingaga thaa imwe na nuthu cia hwaini na matuka manene manyihia andu aria maraingira thiini wa matuka macio no marute wira mathaa 24.
All entertainment areas, bars and other social spaces are to close their doors to the public by 7:30 every day until further notice.
Ukinyiria riu thirikari ithimite andu makiria ya 600 no andu 7 tu marwarite murimu ucio, ona gutwika thirikari irutite mukana ati kwaya gukorwo homeno ni tambitio ukirigirirwo kiumia turorete bururi waya gukamenya hari urugamire hari gutherema kwa murimu uyu. Niritana riria thirikari ikeiria Kenya ikiuga ciumia igiri iria ciukite nicio cigukorwo cia bata muno hari kuhitana na murimu uyu na kuria a Kenya manyitanire niguo gutigirira mibango yake ni yakinyanira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV gitagwo Mutiriri Pawangari.